Hi everyone, I am Prerna and as promised today I have come up with a video on LinkedIn. Well, before I start, we need to understand what is LinkedIn. This is a professional forum where you can meet connections and find content which will help you grow professionally. In today's era, when everything is available digitally, even you need to have a profile where you are visible to all, where you can showcase your achievements, strengths, and things which make you unique, and also meet those people who can help you grow in your career. You need to change that mindset that you will silently keep working hard and someday people will notice. Oh, but this thinking doesn't work anymore. You need to make yourself visible, otherwise, you will gain nothing but disappointment. And might be someone else will take credit and grow immensely in their career just because they are more confident enough about themselves and know the importance of visibility. Time has changed a lot from what it used to be and what it is now. Most of us are working from home, and you need to understand that and change your ways too. Well, let me tell you one good news. It's not too late and I will help you do it through this video. So now I will be sharing my screen and display some important things you need to know in order to be visible to all and grow in your career. Keep watching. Hi everyone. So this presentation will be taking you through growing connections through LinkedIn. Well, the step one will start by completing your profile. So there are a lot of mandatory fields in the LinkedIn which you will find, like there is a bio. So make sure you are filling those details which are apt and correct as per your current status. Okay, so this is the bio. Then there is about section in which you can write a short description about yourself, and also you can start it with a interesting and innovative quote which describes your thinking. Then you can complete your education part, what all education you have completed till now, that can be added, and also your experience part. So if you're fresher, then experience part you can leave for now, and you can complete the education part. Then coming to licenses and certificates. So make sure you are adding all the certificates which you have got and also the courses which you have completed. Make sure you're adding it in the LinkedIn itself. Then you can also add about the volunteering experiences which you have. Maybe you are part of a Rotaract club, you can add that, or you can add any other thing because this really creates a very good impression. Then you can also add different kinds of skills you have. So it doesn't always have to be technical. You can also add your soft skills because that also equally matters. It shows what kind of person you are. And step two would be post updates and your thoughts. Well, updates about what all recent things you have accomplished. You can, talk about them in your feeds. You can post updates on that, and also if you have you can post articles of your own related fields, or it could be anything which you have observed about the situations which are currently going on. And you can also write something motivating which you came across and how positively you handled it. Anything as long as it is not offensive to anyone and you are maintaining the professional boundaries. And make sure you are adding even the smallest of activities in which you participate, because it shows your active participation in new and different things. So coming to step 3, getting recommendations. Make sure you add some recommendations as it is very, very important because sometimes others can describe you better than you can describe yourself. If you are a fresher, I would request you to get the recommendation from your professors. Request them to add 2 or 3 recommendations for you. They can talk about how actively you are involved in the project and activities which are going on in the college, or anything which they find good about you. So the professors can add it, and you can also after that, I would recommend that you go for an internship. It would take just 2 or 3 months, but make sure you completely involve yourself in that internship, learn as much as you can, and then add that experience as well as. Add that experience too in your experience list. And of course, while doing that internship, you will come across some colleagues who might be your junior, senior, or on same level. You can then ask them to add some recommendations for you. Reposting is step 4. So you can also repost different articles which you are coming across on LinkedIn, and you feel that there is something which you want to share about those articles. Definitely you can go ahead and share your thinking on those articles too. As well, what this will do is basically it will make your connection stronger with your connections, as people will feel that you believe on them and look up to them on certain criteria. So this also can be done, and then there is following and adding right connections. Now this is very important. You have to make sure you follow at least a considerable number of people to your list of connections. You can, first of all, you need to make sure you're adding those people who can help you to get a better job, like HR who are working in talent acquisitions or working as recruiters. So make sure you are adding them, as well as those people who are in your own field. So when you follow them, you will get an idea what are the certifications or activities they are involved in, and this will inspire you to do the same. So this is all about 5 steps which you can take to grow your connections. And of course, as I said, we need to be expressive, otherwise it will not take us anywhere. Promoting your skills and convincing others that you are best for this job is also a talent, and it needs to be built by every single person, no matter from which field they belong, because end of the day they need a job in that field and want people to trust on their skills.
I hope after going through this entire video with me, it would prove to be useful to you. If it was useful, request you to please click on the like button and also share your views in the comment section, and please do share it with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.